Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thanks for supporting me and for my videos. And if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. And today we will discuss how can add dynamic title and description in WooCommerce. So first go at in your WP content themes folder, and many people add code inside function.php, but it is not best practice. So first create child theme. For create child theme, I already added one video at here. If you do not watched that video, then please watch. And in the meantime, I also generating um, child theme by WP CLI. So 1 minute. At here it is simple scaffold command. At here it will generate child theme, and it is child theme name and it is parent theme name. So you can change according to your requirement. Now our child theme is created. Now go to function.php. I already added one code at my end. I will provide inside gist file, so don't worry for code. Just paste at here and see inside product page. At here it is coming title dynamically, and it is description. Description is coming at here, so I am explaining code one by one. This is simple code for change title, and at here I use add filter at here, and this is filter name, and this is callback function, and it is priority, and it is parameter. And at here only one parameter is dollar title, and inside dollar title I pass get name, product name, and we will pass anything inside at here. So and after that I return all thing. And for change add description, simple, I get product, and then get product get short description if available, otherwise I give all description with trim 30. So get meta description and return description. We can also add many meta tag at here dynamically, and inside that I add action WP head and add their callback. So it is simple function, simple code. Now we check for other pages. Beanie with logo and Okay, now it is simple product. Okay, now short description is here. If we remove short description, then it will get from main description. So main description is this. So meta description is coming from main description. Okay, I think you got concept of dynamic meta title and description. Thanks for watching.